Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the bleeding continues on this one, and now it's broken down below another area of support. But first thing I'm going to do here is just actually adjust this area of resistance down. Yeah, that level up there still pertains, but not really relevant. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But one of the newest areas of resistance at this point, if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, is right there at $4.33. So if this thing does try to, consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, that's where the first big question mark is all about. It's not necessarily can the price get back up to 433, but more importantly, can the price break up above it and stay up above it? So you want to keep a very close eye on that if there is any sort of attempted bounce. If the price can bounce and get through that level, the next key area of resistance at that point would then be that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 50-period moving average, and the current value of that is right there at $4.44. Now, what about areas of support? We're going to have to adjust those down because, again, that area of support has been broken. And I realize it's hard to see, but that's just, the proportion of the chart got thrown off after that crazy move. But the next area of support to keep an eye on moving forward, now going to be down there at $4.10. So, yeah, $4.10, next potential area where I don't think anybody would be shocked to see the price drift down to. And if it gets down to 410, at that point, you really would definitely want to see the price maintain that area, because if it doesn't, then that, like I said, would imply that the price is now down, below levels that it hasn't seen since back there, in January, so several weeks ago, and that's just going to be a next important level. But yeah, as of now, from just the general flow of things, you can see that this downwards movement continues. This downwards channel is in still full effect, but we'll see if that can get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.